Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making healthy and spicy pap. I soaked my dry maize for one day, then I washed it the next day. So I first of all go in with my nutmeg, my dry ginger, my black pepper, then I go in with some clove. I added fresh ginger and I added pepper. So after adding all the ingredients that I'm going to blend with it, then I cover it for it to soak for a whole day. So I come back the next day to check so I can take it for grinding. So you can see it's after the second day, so you can see how it looks like. So I washed it thoroughly, I washed it very well, so till the water is pure, white and clean. So then I take it to where I'm going to grind it, to a grinder. So when I get back home, I bring a big bowl, two big bowl. So I added water because the pap is going to be needing a lot of water for sieving. I pour in the maize that I blended. So you can see it after I've added water inside the bowl. So you can see that I still needing water because we have to put a lot of water so that when we are sieving, everything is going to come out cool. So you can see I have to bring out my sieve, my sheet cloth. So I washed it before using. I'm sorry, I did not show where I washed it. So after I mixed it and everything, I stirred the water and everything together and everything liquid. So I started sieving it. So you can see the way I'm sieving. So here I'm done sieving and this is it. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I'm grateful. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like. God bless you.